Exercise 18. System of equations. 2x plus 3y equals 6, 4x plus by equals 12. If in the system of equations above, b is a constant, the system has infinitely many solutions. What is the value of b? This is a theoretical exercise. I cannot use the calculator or even the Desmos. I have to consider theory. We know that in the system ax plus by equals c, and then a prime x plus b prime y equals c prime, if a over a prime is equal to b over b prime, and that's equal to c over c prime, then we have infinitely many solutions. So, in this case, we have to have them all perfectly aligned, all the x's together, all the y's together, all the constants together, which we do. And then 2 over 4 should be equal to 3 over b, and they should both equal 6 over 12. I can see that in order to move from a numerator to its corresponding denominator, I'm just multiplying by 2. So that's times 2. That's times 2. So obviously the same pattern should occur for 3 over b, which means that in order to go to b from 3, I should multiply by 2, and this makes b equal to 6, which is the answer I was looking for. B is 6.